Welcome back. Part 2. Still on the venture looking for a bee's nest. We are now on our way out of here, so sit back and enjoy. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is a large jungle. Hopefully on the other side we will find the bee's nest. Okay. I'd like to get out of this jungle. Oh, I see. Oh, wait a minute. What we got over here? We got some sort of... Oh, we're back. What? Alright guys, we are supposed to look for a couple bees nests here, but I'm finding something else that got my interest. Maybe if I can get a couple of these, I can... Oh. What do we got? Alright guys, well, I'm not going to stay here because I got what I needed from this area. But I am going to proceed forward. Oh my goodness, I don't know what I got myself into here. Oh my god. What? What is this? Very interesting. Okay guys. Very interesting. Okay. Where's my tool? Okay, we're gonna stop. Okay, what is this? Okay, I'm gonna get this. This stuff here is called magma cube, and you can actually make a garbage can out of it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and head out. Actually, grab me one more. Why is this guy following me? I really wish this guy would not continue to follow me. Wow, look at this. I had never been in this biome before. Okay, so we need to go this way. Really interesting. Okay, guys, I think I found the trees, so I'm actually excited. This is actually making my venture go much better. Let's see. This is really interesting. Wow. Alright guys, let's go ahead and lower the... Okay, so we now are in the oak area. It looks like it's a swamp here. Okay, let's see what we can find. We're in a swamp area. Let's go with this way. Why is the numbers going back down again? All right. Let's see what happens here, guys. I started to get excited because I saw there was different type of trees. But now my doubts have came up ahead and I don't see nothing that I'm looking for. I hope that we find some sort of bee's nest before the next sundown. Otherwise, our journey is going to proceed forward in part number 3. But let's find out first. This is the journey I've started looking for because I found out yesterday that my bees decided to fly away from my bees nest inside of my base. And it makes me upset that I lost my bees. Oh, don't tell me I'm back in the damn... Alright, well let's go this way because I'm not going back into the desert. I am not doing the desert again. We might not be having much luck on this. That's it. Whatever we have left on the jetpack, this is the end of the line. I should have brought another stack of coal with me. This really stinks. Alright, let me see here what we have in front of us. Is that more sand? Let's see if we can find something that's worthwhile here. Alright, if I can get across this water, that'd be awesome. Alright, well guys, we're going to be touching down here because I have no coal left and my jetpack is running out of gas. So let's see, let's just say that we are coming to an end on this jetpack. Oh, there's sunflowers there, but there's no bee's nest. Alright guys, we're about to do some walking. Who's ready? We're down to 40% on the fuel of the jetpack. We're going to lose our jetpack here, guys. Sorry. There it goes. Alright, I'm gonna have to make a boat. Let's get some wood here to make a boat. Okay, I think 5 blocks of wood should be enough for a boat. Let's see. We're about to lose more of the sunlight. Okay, do this. This. Alright, we got boats. Okay, guys. Alright, so we have boats. Okay, let's go down and yeah, let's go ahead and dig a hole. So here, do this. Okay, can I not get my tool there? We are going to do this so that we won't have to worry about getting ourselves killed. Alright, so we will be down here till morning. So, okay guys, now we go to sit here overnight and wait for the next round, and then we will proceed on looking for the bee's nest, because right now I still have not found a bee's nest. So that's it for part 2. I'll see you guys on part 3. I hope there's more luck.